What if I told you that most of these 14 tiny travel essentials are cheaper than your airport coffee? And some are a little bit more, but together they will completely transform your economy flight experience to feel almost like first class. Most of us are flying economy when we travel, and it's definitely not the most comfortable place to be on a flight. But over the years of flying long haul flights, I put together what I call my long haul survival kit. And these tiny travel essentials are what make up that kit, and they are small enough to fit into your personal item bag. And one of these items will make landing in your new destination more seamless than ever. And all of the items I am mentioning are all linked below in the video description. So after you watch this video, you can go and check out those links. All right, first up is what I think one of the most underrated tiny travel accessories. It is an airplane tray table cover. And before you go, do I really need this? Just hear me out, because this item changed the way I think about flying. Airplane tray tables are one of the most touched items on an airplane, and studies have shown that there's more bacteria on those tray tables than on the door handles of the airplane bathrooms. So if you're eating, you're working, you're resting on these tray tables, just think of all that yuckiness that's going on. So when I board a flight, one of the first things I do is I put on this airplane tray table cover, and it takes 5 seconds to do. It slips on and off easily, it's machine washable, and you can use it on every single flight going forward. The next item is for everyone who's tried to prop up their cell phone on the tray table and then just slowly watches it slide down in the middle of their movie every single time. No holding your phone up for 3 hours as your arm slowly goes numb. This phone holder is great, especially for long haul flights. It works with almost all smartphones. It weighs nothing. You can easily slip it into your personal item bag or your carry-on. Let's talk about airline travel blankets for a second. We all know they exist, we've all used them, and we all know that we probably don't know where they've been. This is where the Gravel travel blanket completely earns its place as one of my absolute favorite tiny travel essentials for long haul flights. It packs down into its own little pocket, so it makes it very compact, but then you get full coverage when you pull it out, and it is really warm. All right, the next one is technically invisible because it lives inside your phone, but it completely eliminates the annoying part of when you arrive somewhere new. Waiting to enter the airport, waiting to find Wi-Fi, and waiting to see if your data plan from back home doesn't destroy your wallet. Trying to find a kiosk in the airport so you can buy a physical SIM card even though you're completely jet lagged. Because of course you need this in order to call an Uber so you can get to your hotel for your first night. And that moment is gone with Airalo eSIM. Airalo lets you purchase a digital SIM card right from your phone before you even leave home, which means while you're still on the plane taxiing to the gate, you can switch it on in your settings and land already connected. Like wheels down, maps open, I landed, text already sent, no kiosks, no swapping out physical SIM cards, no crazy bills when you get home from your trip that make you want to cry. Just instant connection the second you land. It works in over 200 countries, the app is super straightforward to use, and you can choose a data plan that actually fits your trip, whether you just need something light for messaging and maps, or a bigger plan if you're working remotely or sharing a lot of content while you travel. And if you want to try it, which I think you should, you can use my discount code to save $3 off your Airalo eSIM. Just use this discount code. I'll also write it down in the description box below, along with a special link, so you can go and check that out. Next up is a travel massage ball. Now this is one of those tiny travel essentials for flights that I have not seen anybody else talk about, and I think every person flying should have one of these, especially for long haul flights. Here's the deal. When you're on a long haul flight and you're in economy, you're sitting in these cramped seats for long periods of times. Your muscles start to tighten, your shoulders get sore, your legs get sore, and you don't always want to get up. You should get up, but you don't always want to get up from your seat, every couple of hours. So this travel ball will help you get your body moving. It will help your muscles right in the comfort of your seat without having to get up. Just a couple of minutes targeting the spots that are bothering you, and you'll feel the difference. All right, so if you've ever stepped off a long haul flight and feel like your legs feel like concrete, this next tiny travel essential is for you. The airplane footrest, sometimes called the foot hammock, is an economy class travel accessory that hangs from the seat in front of you and lets you rest your feet in an elevated position, which does two things. It takes pressure off your lower back and hips, and it actually helps your circulation, which means less swelling and less of that stiff dead leg feeling when you land. This next tiny travel essential is different than the rest. I've mentioned it in several other videos, and I think it is key for people who have flying anxiety, like me. So if you do have flying anxiety or you just get overstimulated when you travel, the Gloco Calm Carry is one of those tiny travel essentials that can really make an impact. It works through gentle microcurrent pulses that helps regulate your nervous system, basically helping your body shift out of that stress wired state and into something calmer. I started using this device a couple of years ago during a long haul flight from Toronto to India. There was turbulence, it was long. I used this device, I held it in my hand, throughout the flight, and I noticed I was much calmer than I typically am on long flights like that, especially when there's turbulence. It's also super compact. You can put it in your purse, you can put it in your day bag, you can put it in your personal item bag, carry-on, whatever. Okay, this next one is for your body, and it is one of the most overlooked tiny travel essentials that you can pack. Flying is dehydrating. The cabin humidity on most flights is 10 to 20%, which is drier than most deserts. Your skin dries out, your sinuses dry out, and you lose fluids faster than you realize. Dehydration is actually the leading cause of jet lag, but Flywell travel vitamins are specifically formulated for this. They combine essential vitamins and minerals to keep your immune system strong, electrolytes to replenish lost fluids, and adaptogenic botanicals like ashwagandha and ginseng to help your body manage the stress of crossing time zones. An eye mask. This is a non-negotiable tiny travel essential that you're gonna need on your next flight, especially if it's a long haul flight. I've tried so many eye masks over the years, and this one I keep coming back to because it has two things I need. It's comfortable on my face and it's breathable. And it also comes in handy throughout your travels. So if you're in a hotel room, dealing with jet lag, trying to get to sleep and the sun's still out, you can pop one of those on. If you're sharing a hotel room and maybe you wanna go to sleep with someone else, but they're watching a show, whatever the situation is, an eye mask comes in handy. All right, the next one is a neck pillow. And I have been on a quest for years to find the best neck pillow. I've tried all of them, I feel, at this point. And this is the one that actually works for me. Most people use the C-shaped neck pillows you can just buy even at the airport. And I have tried, it doesn't work for me. I cannot get any rest. It doesn't feel comfortable. But if it does work for you, keep using it. That is good. But the one that works for me is this one. Instead of going around your neck like a traditional travel pillow, this one supports you in a forward-leaning position. So you rest your head and arms forward onto the tray table, which takes the pressure off your spine completely. It's the most natural sleeping position you can actually achieve in the airplane seat. And for people who absolutely cannot sleep sitting straight up, this is a revelation. And the best part, it's inflatable. So you can just pack it down pretty small, put it in your carry-on bag, your personal item bag, and you're good to go. Noise canceling headphones. This should be at the very top of your list of tiny travel essentials you're gonna need for any flight. The ones me and my husband have been using for years are from Sony, and you can use them wired or as Bluetooth headphones, whatever you prefer. I like to have the wire in, and my husband prefers the Bluetooth option, but you can have both, whatever you're feeling. All right, next is probably number one on my tiny travel essential list, except for me, you know what? It can be tiny, but most of the time it's not. I will not travel without a bag of snacks. It's just no way. I need a full bag of snacks for any flight, doesn't matter how long it is. I'm talking about anything that gets you excited. All the rules are out of the window, like any diet, you just push that aside. Chocolate bars, chips, nuts, fruit, salad, whatever it is that gets you really excited, that's what you're gonna include in your bag of snacks. There's nothing better than eating a bag of gummy bears and a chocolate bar while watching a rom-com or a movie about a dog. Am I right? Of course, I recommend bringing healthier options as well, like fruits, salads, a good sandwich, things that are gonna actually give you fuel. Bring those as well. And yes, you can bring items like that, like a salad or a container of pasta. You can bring those on the flight, no problem. Something that you made from home, that is allowed. And let's face it, especially in economy, airplane food, it's not good. Lip balm, won't fly without at least having a couple in my purse and my personal item bag, because the airplane is dry. I need to apply my lip balm very frequently throughout the flight. I cannot travel or just be anywhere with dry lips. It drives me absolutely nuts, and I definitely cannot sleep with dry lips. So a lip balm is a must, and these are the ones that I'm absolutely loving. The ones that I use, I will link again in the description below. And next are slippers. As soon as I get on the flight, I get into my seat, my shoes come off, those slippers come on, because I don't want to also be in my socks, walking around the plane, going to the airplane bathroom in my socks. Like I need some sort of protection. But I also don't want to wear my tight shoes throughout a flight, especially if it's a long haul flight for hours. I have these travel slippers that I got on Amazon for cheap, and they are great. They are super comfortable, they're cozy, they're warm, and they actually fold up. You can put them in your personal item bag or your carry-on luggage, no problem. Another option is the next time you're at a hotel, they offer you a pair of slippers, right? You can just open up the cupboard, and there's your robe and a pair of slippers. Take those slippers with you, put them in your luggage, and you have cozy slippers for your flight home. And that's all 14 tiny travel essentials that make a long haul flight way more comfortable, that turns economy into almost first class. I've linked all of these items in the video description below, including $3 off your next Airlo eSIM, so you can go and check that out, and I will see you in the next video. But before you go, be sure to check out these other tiny travel essentials videos I've done. There's the tiny travel essentials, just standard, as well as tiny tech travel essentials. And I will see you in the next video. Happy travels!